Welcome to number 3 in our core countdown. This is the bird dog. This is one of the most important exercises for your butt, for your hips, for your abs, for your spinal muscles as well if you do it right. What's more important about this exercise is that your body has to fight against rotation and it engages every muscle in your core. Okay, so let me show you how to do it right. I want you to go into a hands and knees position right here. First, I want you to find neutral spine. So first, arch your back, then round it as much as you can, then arch again, then go somewhere in the middle, right here. Try to hold this position and you will feel your abs here already activated. Then you're gonna raise opposite arm and opposite leg like this. You kick back and go. Do a few reps on this side. Then you want to switch, keeping that neutral spine position. Nice, and try to kick as far back as you can. You're gonna tend to go somewhere like this or to rotate. Try to keep your spine totally neutral. All right?